My name is Dr. Susan Flynn. I'm the Department Chair for the Applied Behavior Analysis Online Department at the Chicago School of Professional Psychology. The ABA Online Department has three main programs. One is the Graduate Certificate in Applied Behavior Analysis. The second one is the Master of Science in Applied Behavior Analysis, and the third is the Ph.D. in Applied Behavior Analysis. Typically, someone entering the Graduate Certificate program in ABA already has a master's degree, and they are just wanting to get the extra coursework in Applied Behavior Analysis. And what that enables them to do is to practice as a board certified behavior analyst once they meet eligibility requirements to take the exam. And once they take and pass that exam, they can work as a behavior analyst in the field. With the MS program, typically students enter the program with a bachelor's degree in a related field to psychology, for example, or special education. And once they complete the Master's of Science in ABA, they're eligible to sit for the BCBA exam. And once they take and pass that exam, they're eligible to practice as a behavior analyst in their state. Typically, students who enter the Ph.D. in Applied Behavior Analysis program already have a master's program. They've been usually practicing as a BCBA out in the field. So typically those students are looking to advance themselves in their own professions, whether it be as a clinical director, for example, or some other leadership capacity in their agency. Also, students who are interested in academia, so students who want to, for example, instruct in a university setting. Our graduates of our programs work in a variety of settings: governmental, non-governmental, private agencies, for example, consulting. Behavior analysts can help individuals with skill acquisition. Working with students in the school setting, for example, learning to read, write, both academic behavior as well as social behavior. Behavior analysts also can work with adults with disabilities when they want to work on functional behavioral skills or learning just everyday living skills. Behavior analysts also can work with individuals in company settings, increasing motivation among staff. The Applied Behavior Analysis Online Department has a variety of faculty members with varied research interests, very interesting research interests. We have a faculty member, for example, who specializes in animal behavior. We have a faculty member who specializes in organizational behavior management, working with staff in company settings. We have staff with special education background who were actually teachers at one point and decided to become behavior analysts later, working with children with disabilities. We have very active research labs with our students, so students get to work with our faculty one-on-one on a variety of research topics and to advance their own research agendas as well. Our typical Applied Behavior Analysis online student is an adult learner. They have established careers. They've been working out in the field. The online format works really well for them because they can still hold their jobs, work full-time, and then attend classes and complete their degree. The online experience for our students is really not a whole lot different from on-ground students. Our students still feel that connection to our faculty, our staff. We keep in close contact with them. We provide wraparound services for them. We have student support services just for them. We have our online writing center. They have these ongoing relationships with faculty. They're assigned an academic advisor at the very beginning of their program, so they have that nice point of contact throughout their program. As a department, we're happy to offer many international experiences for our students. We feel that global awareness is a very crucial skill to have for behavior analysts working in the field today. We have a study abroad in South Africa where students get to work with other professional organizations while they're there. We have another study abroad experience in Denmark, focusing on the topic of mindfulness. We have another study abroad in Malaysia, Singapore, as well as a study abroad experience in Dubai, where students get to work within the cultural context of Dubai regarding the topic of servicing individuals with disabilities. If you have further questions about any of our programs, please do not hesitate to reach out to our admissions department. We will be happy to help you, and I look forward to hearing from you.